Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about linearization. So now I will show you how to answer. If we want to find about linearization, this is similar to find about the tangent line. So to do about this one, we need to find first the derivative of this one. We know that this one that is equals to s to the power of 1 over 3. So we can apply about the power rule in here. So that's about s to the power of n. If we do first the derivative of this one, we have n s to the power of n minus 1. So if we do first the derivative of this one, we have 1 over 3 s to the power of 1 over 3 minus 1. And then we will have about negative number 2 over 3. So we apply the formula of the tangent line. So for this one, we have a equals to number 8. So we just put number 8 in here. We know that s0, we have s equals to a equals to number 8. So we got about number 8 in here. About y0, so we have number 8. We put number 8, go to this one to find the value of y. So the cubic root of number 8, we have number 2. And we put number 8, go in here. So we need to simplify this one. This one we calculate. And we have 1 over 12. So 1 over 12 multiplied by s and negative number 8. Now we need to simplify. And we got 4 over 3. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.